So the way to use MyFitnessPal, just kind of the basics on it, is once you get it downloaded and you get yourself set up, like you'll see on the last video, you turn off the exercise tracker, you set your daily calorie goal, which you and I will determine together. Now you just open it up, you click diary down at the bottom here. That will pull up your daily food diary. And all you do is whatever meal it is, you go and hit add food. So let's say it's dinner. I have a couple of options. I can search for the food. So I have something called Nutso, and there are a few different kinds. This is the Power Fuel kind. So I'm going to search for that. There it is right there. I can either pull it up like that. Say I have, okay, so this gives me the option for a serving size of 2 tablespoons. I can also change that to 1 tablespoon. I can change it to 1 gram. If I'm measuring with a food scale, I can change it to 1 ounce. So let's say I want to have 2 ounces. I would go to 1 ounce and then hit 2 servings of 1 ounce. Let's say I want to keep it to the serving that it is, which is 2 tablespoons, but I'm only going to have 1 tablespoon. So I put 1/2 of a serving of 2 tablespoons, save it, and then go and hit the check mark at the top. Okay, now I'm going to back out of there to go back to that meal. So dinner, now you see it right there, 90 calories, 1 tablespoon of Nutso Power Fuel. Now, if I want to delete it, I hold my finger on it, delete entry. Now, let me show you another way of putting that in, which is pretty handy. You have a barcode scanner right here. So if I want to scan a barcode, I get the food near me. It'll hit the barcode pretty fast, and then it'll pull up, again, the same thing, 1 serving of 2 tablespoons. Again, let's say this time I have 1 serving of 2 tablespoons. I just hit the check mark, and that'll go into my dinner. Now, if I want to know like how much protein, fat, and carbs I've had for the day, if I scroll down like this top part up here goes away. So if you can't see that with a little pencil in the pie chart, just scroll down or scroll up. Click on the pie chart. That will pull up. You can look at calories. It'll give you your calorie breakdown per meal. You can look at nutrients. See, that tells me my protein, total of 87. Goal is 193, a little behind. But I'm not terribly worried about it. See the carbohydrates, see the fat. And then you can look at the macro distribution up top. So I got 66% fat for the day, 22% protein, 12% carbohydrates. Now, if we get back out of there, go to the journal. Here's basically what you want to pay attention to. You have your goal calories. You have how many you've eaten that day, and then how many you have remaining for that day. So I have 689 remaining. That's going to be my dinner. I actually just adjusted my calorie daily goal to 2,200 from 2,400. Because I want to drop just a little bit more weight, and I want to get a little bit more cut up. I want to see my abs more. So I dropped that by a couple hundred calories. So this is what I have remaining. That's what I'll have with my dinner. And that's really about all you need to know about MyFitnessPal.